Mr. Speaker, I wanted to address another issue that, as a CPA for 26 years, is especially troubling: the government moving forward on automatic tax filing. Let me be clear. Conservatives support making life easier for Canadians. We support simplicity, efficiency, and fairness. But auto tax filing is not about making life easier. It is about giving the CRA the power to assess your taxes for you without ensuring you get the benefits, deductions, and the credits you're entitled to. Mr. Speaker, the Auditor General reports that when you're actually able to get through on the phone, the CRA gives wrong information more often than not. Many Canadians already face reassessments and incorrect notices. I think it's naive to believe that adding another automatic system will improve anything in any way improving the service Canadians receive from the CRA. My expectation is that this change will only cause more confusion, more frustration, more phone calls to an already drowning phone line. Under auto filing, the CRA becomes both the tax preparer and the auditor. This is not service, this is not simplification, this is a conflict of interest. Seniors, low-income families, and rural citizens are the ones most likely to lose those benefits that they should receive. And when CRA makes a mistake, who do Canadians appeal to? We already have a system where you're guilty until you can prove otherwise with CRA. With this change, Canadians would need to appeal to the same agency that made the mistake and likely take months after the fact. As someone who has spent a career helping people navigate the tax system, I cannot support a policy that puts vulnerable Canadians at risk of overpayment and missed benefits. This is a system that puts government convenience ahead of citizens' rights. I spent my career studying numbers behind government decisions and the impacts those have on Canadians and their businesses. I can tell you this: too often, Liberals have lacked the vision to see what happens with the changes they make. For example, the changes to Bear Trust reporting that was implemented for supposed to be implemented for March 2024. That was to go after the so-called rich people, but cast a wide net affecting millions of ordinary Canadians. At the 11th hour, after thousands of hours of accounting hours, and Liberals cancelled that and postponed the implementation because it had unintended consequences. In the last few days, several Liberals have admitted the cancellation of the UHC, or underused housing tax, also had unintended consequences. So they eliminated that fiasco. The UHC was supposed to target foreign speculation, yet it has swept millions of Canadians into unreasonable reporting requirements for no good. Once again, red tape for poorly thought out legislation added layers of half-formed regulations and burdens. I can only say thank goodness someone saw the light on this Liberal failure.